I had a question recently from a student who had a deal where a landlord was desperate to get rid of a property because a squatter had moved in, and they couldn't get them out. And the student asked me, should I buy this property with the squatter in it, or tell the seller that I can't buy it until you get them out? Listen, I think buying a house with a bad situation, it doesn't matter if it's fire damage, there's a squatter in it, if they're behind on payments, the more trouble that seller's in, the better deal I can get on that house. And that's one of the things we do in our advertising. We run a radio ad right now that's one of the features in there is, hey, if you got a paying or non-paying tenant in your property, we'll buy it with that tenant in it. And that's a problem solving thing that we do, and that's worth money. I would definitely use that as a tactic if you've been around a little bit and you know what to do, and use that as a negotiating point with my seller to say, listen, I can buy your house with that squatter right there, but I can't pay as much because it's going to cost me legal fees and time and whatnot. So if you can make that work to your advantage, and it's a good enough deal, absolutely buy that house with that squatter in it. Just know going in that you're going to have to, that's some sweat equity that you're going to have to earn on that property. But if you're familiar with the law in your area, you know how it works, you've got a good attorney. But a lot of times the best way to approach somebody that's in the house that you don't want there is just like a cash for keys situation. You go up there, you knock on the door, you say, listen, I got a check right here for $1,000. I can either put you in the pay to line or I can put my lawyer in it. What do you want to do? So that's the best way to approach it, I find. But yeah, sure, you can buy a house with a bad situation, a squatter in it, something like that. Just know going in what's going to be involved, what could possibly be involved to get that person out.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.